Good morning to all of you. I am Monica, and today I have got a topic about confession. I have to confess about what I did in my past, about any mistake, and that I still feel burden on my heart. So, once a day, it was a month of May, and on 26th of May, our result was declared. And I was talking with my friend on phone. They were they were three in numbers, and we were planning that we have to do some fun, and we have to go somewhere else for doing some fun, because in during this period, after our examinations, there was a lockdown for I think for 3 months. So we got bored and we were planning to go out, but as we are not self independent, and our family thinks about that we are still kids, so we all had to take permission from our parents. I don't know what they are to their parents, but I came on the roof because I was walking. It was the time of night, and people do morning walk, but I love to do night walk. So I was walking, and I came from the roof, and then I went to my mother. She was cooking in the kitchen, and I asked her that, Mummy, I have to go tomorrow because I have to take mark sheet, and I have to take mark sheet. So my mama told okay, and then after I told that, Mummy, one more thing. Then she asked me about what? Tell me. Then I told her that, Mama, it will take long time because it was the time of admission. The admission was going on for first year because result of 12th was declared, and with first year admissions, the admission of second year students were also going on. So I told her that, Mama, it will take 4 to 5 hours. So can I go? Mama told that okay, you can go. So I slept that night, and when I arrived in the morning in 7 o'clock, I done my every work what and some of my household works what are my daily routine. Then I got ready for going outside. Then suddenly Mama come to me, and when I was out to go, when I went out of my house, then Mama suddenly accosted me behind me, and she told that, Beta, stop. I stopped there, and she told me that, she gave me 300 rupees, and she told me that, take this and be careful, because I am very afraid of crossing road. Okay. And she knows about it. So she told me that, be careful and have some, because I didn't have my breakfast. So she told me that, take this money and have some food with your friends. I went to college and I did my work, and after that I enjoyed. I went to there is a bakery there, and we went there. We roam around Raj campus. We did any very nonsense things. Then I came back. But when I went to bed for sleeping at night, then I realized that I am hurting her. I am telling lie to her, and she is still believing on me. She gave me money for because she has tension about my health. She told me that have some food because you are not going outside.
She was worried about your health.
Yeah. So it was the biggest mistake of mine, and I really regret about it.
Did you tell your mother?
No.
Not till today.
Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Today the topic is really interesting, that is confession. So today I am going to confess about some incident that I did wrong. So it was the time when I was in class 12th, and there was some dispute happening between my father and my grandfather. Sorry, not grandfather, Bade Papa. But one day, we were at home, it was the time of Sunday, and all of a sudden my Bade Papa came and just invited us for a program. And after listening that, I was really excited to attend that program. And after that, I just started talking in my home that I will go, I will meet others. But all of a sudden, my father just told me, you are not allowed to go there. Okay? So after that, I was confused why he is not allowing me. So I just started quarreling with him. There was a heated dispute and it went really wrong. So during the dispute, my mother asked, what do you think? What type of person your father is? So then with the flow, I just said, he doesn't know anything. He's an idiot. So after that, the quarrel was stopped and I sat on an alone place for about 10 minutes and I realized that what did I say to my father? But I am so lucky that after 10 minutes, I just went to my father. He was wearing the clothes for office and said to him, Papa, just forget it. I will not go. Okay. So just leave it, whatever happened between us. Then my father just asked me, will you help me to wear tie? I was surprised because I understood. He knew that my intention was not bad. My intention was to make a very good family, like joint family. And fortunately in 2016, when my eldest sister got married, so after her marriage, both families are living together. There is no dispute. But the regret is I should not have used that type of words to my fathers.
About your father or to your father?
To my father.
You told your mother about your father?
In front of my father.
Okay, in front of you.
So during this incident, I understood one thing. Your uncle's family is really important, but your own family is more important than other families. So always stick to your family, your own family, no matter they are wrong or right. If they are wrong, try to convince them, but not to quarrel them. Thank you.